So today is my birthday. I am turning 40 years old. I was born in the 80s and I grew up in the 90s, and a lot of the things that I loved from that time period are no longer a part of the world. So it's important that I do take the time to appreciate the things from the 90s that are still around. So that's why tonight we're eating at the Rainforest Cafe on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Here it is. Rainforest Cafe, still going strong. This is the only open location in New Jersey. There was another one at the Menlo Park Mall, but they just closed that last year to make way for the brand new round one. But we're gonna have dinner here tonight, celebrate my birthday, Rainforest Cafe. And it's quite an impressive building, looking very much like an Aztec temple. And take a look, we got a cockatoo hanging up there. Let's head inside Rainforest Cafe and get ourselves some dinner. Oh, here we are, going inside the jungle. Oh, it's Tracy Tree. I think she's just clicking. Just clicking today, not saying anything. We have a giant boa constrictor here to swallow us whole. What's over here? Oh, it's a butterfly. Massive butterfly. All of these t-shirts and things. Oh, I remember these baggy tie-dye t-shirts with pictures of animals on them. Look at that. You can get a koala with a martini. That's really funny. Oh, I loved all this stuff. This was so much fun. Look up above us, we have these monkeys hanging out. Another one of these butterflies. I remember their mascot was the tree frog here. So there's lots of stuff with this tree frog. It has a name. I forget what its name is. But here is the plush version of the big tree frog. And lots of just fun toys and gifts and things. I loved this stuff when I was a kid because I liked nature, so I always thought it was fun to check out stuff like this. And look over here. This is where they actually used to have like live fish in this, but now it's I guess it's just too expensive to maintain. But it's still a very impressive water feature here. Oh, is this where they have the gator? Yes, they have an animatronic gator down in here, and all this steam coming from it. Look at this. Is it working right now? I don't know if it's working, but it looks like people are throwing coins on its head. Oh, look at all this foliage and these toucans. Oh, this makes me so happy to be at one of these again. Atlantic City! Woo! Alrighty, let's quit messing around in here and go get ourselves a table, sit down, and have some Rainforest Cafe grub. Wow, what an adventure. Alright, here we go. Inside the Rainforest Cafe. Oh, this makes me so happy. Look at all this. We have all these vines and stuff. Oh, and what is that? Is that the Starry Sky? Very cool. And here is our table next to this Legends of the Hidden Temple head right here. And so this is what our table looks like with these parrots. It's actually tablecloth under enamel. And look at these seat patterns. We have elephants and tree frogs. Over here, some lions and tigers. Oh, we just sat down and we got a rainstorm going on. Alrighty, so they came around and took our pictures. Aren't we just the cutest?
I mean, adorable.
Yeah, so we're gonna take these home.
Yeah.
That's really sweet. Okay, so I ordered the Mojo Bones, which is baby back ribs. And you ordered the
Bimini chicken.
Bimini chicken, and that looks good.
It's supposed to be like a little spicy.
A little spicy.
Slaw action going on.
All right, let's dig in. Dinner was great, and we got to experience 2 thunderstorms while we were sitting here eating. We have all these little monkeys hanging from the ceiling. Oh, it's so much fun. Look at them. Take a look at this fountain. This big neon globe here. Now this was the thing I always remembered most about this place. And we have this section here, which looks like the night sky. Yeah, and I guess this one is just sort of like themed after like an Aztec temple. Very neat. Oh, look at all the mist rising up over here. That's a really cool effect. And these flowering vines. Big old parrot swooping down. And this bubbling aquarium. Here's something I always loved about Rainforest Cafe. The bar stools that look like different animal behinds. That's so much fun. What do we have back here? We have a big dragonfly. And look at this iguana. How cool is that? Well, that was a lot of fun. What a wonderful way to spend my 40th birthday. You know, I miss so much from the time I grew up with just how everything was just so much more fun and whimsical. And now everything's just so dry and boring and lifeless. So it's just, we got to appreciate what we can. And maybe if we find ways to put more fun and whimsy and positivity back into the world. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to see me on more adventures in the future. If you'd like to support the channel, check out my Patreon page, which says exclusive videos, or consider becoming a channel member. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.